Hey everyone, welcome back to Wonder Planner. I'm Crystal. In front of me, I have a bag sent from and made by Planning Boss. Let's check it out. Now, here's the inside of her pen pouch. Lots of room. Super cute. Here's her media card. Paper clip. She included these two bow vinyls. Two bow die cuts with gold foil. These are her foiled heart circle stickers. This one is silver. This one's gold. And these two are hollow. Absolutely stunning. I love these guys. These are her hand-drawn bow stickers. This one is cracked glass. This one is rose gold. Have another rose gold one. And another cracked glass. These are foiled heart stickers on a blush background. This one's rose gold, and this one is the cracked glass. Then I have a few of the foiled clear stickers, hand-drawn bows. This one's silver, and these three are the hollow. So gorgeous. That's everything. Make sure to check out Planning Boss. All the links will be down in the description below. And thank you so much for all your support. It's really inspired me to make more of these videos. I'll see you next time. Bye.